A 4.4% drop in Aave is likely tomorrow, according to Gulf Capital Collector. Let's take a second to assess the current momentum. Right now, Aave is showing a daily loss of 0.6% and sits close to $61.65. Let's check today's expert outlooks. Gulf Capital Collector's data implies a dip to $58.94 by June 11, suggesting a decline of about 4.4%. Traders Union anticipates Aave falling to $59.60, a drop estimated at 3.3%. According to 30 rates, it might edge lower toward $60.64, around 1.7% down. A separate projection from CoinLore highlights Aave may be on track for $61.86, a rise of about 0.3%. Finally, Crypto Predictions forecasts a move towards $65.44 by tomorrow, marking a gain of 6.1%. This is the strongest return potential in our lineup. The 5 forecasts are in. Let's go beyond that. Forecasts reviewed. Here's what each implies in figures. The predictions indicate movement in the range from a drop of 4.4% to a gain of 6.1%. The numbers make it clear that Crypto Predictions predicts the highest return with 6.1% surge in value by tomorrow. By the look of it, you could make between $3 and $61 for every $1,000 you invest. When evaluating probabilities, CoinLore's forecast has proven to be the most reliable, with a 94.4% chance of success. With all forecasts compared, I formed a combined consensus scenario. Looking at the consensus view, Aave is seen around $61.30. Let's dive into the numbers. The consensus scenario highlights a 0.6% drop under today's conditions. To summarize clearly, your capital might also go up by around 0.6% if the trend follows through. On a 1,000 example, the move could potentially translate into about $6 gained. And the likelihood of the consensus forecast on Aave being realized is placed at 93.5%. From here, let's see what analysts are signaling for the 3-day direction. Gulf Capital Collector expects the price to slump further. Likewise, Traders Union expects Aave to head lower. 30 rate suggests that the near-term outlook points to balance with prices holding steady. According to similarly CoinLore, price performance will remain muted, offering no sharp moves. Crypto Predictions describes the near-term outlook as bullish. The consensus stance presents Aave with a clear downward direction. Looking across the forecasts, most analysts emphasize an optimistic stance, with Aave expected to push higher. 2 days ago, 5 predictions were released. Yesterday showed how they held up. In the end, the last candle closed at $62.06. Yesterday showed that just a minority of analysts matched the trend. Measured by accuracy, digital coin price ended up the best. Let's put all the pieces in place. The actual trading range included 3 forecasts. For ROI performance, some analysts stayed above zero, with the maximum gain at 1.7%. Here's a quick results overview. A visual recap of forecast accuracy and outcome. From the table, CoinCodex reached 1.3% ROI and accuracy. See if you can find the analyst who was most on point. Let's move on and see how the consensus-based returns for tomorrow line up between Aave and others. According to tomorrow's forecasts, Aave stands at 5th place, and optimism shows 3.1% potential return. This section compares Aave to 4 random cryptocurrencies. A much broader view of forecasted returns is already displayed on my website. If you find value in seeing several analysts side by side, show your support with a like and subscribe. Take care, everyone.